Another example will be solving about titration, page 112. In this problem, we have two parts. The first part is the titration calculation. However, in the second part, we'll go through a question we did not solve before. So let us start reading together. Washing soda crystals have the formula Na2CO3 and H2O. Crystals usually contain water. That's why in the formula we have H2O. Next to the H2O we have N. N is a number, but it is unknown. The object of this calculation is to find the number of molecules of water of crystallization N. So the aim of this calculation is to find N, which is the number of molecules of water. We'll start reading the given together. 28.6 grams of washing soda crystals were dissolved in pure water. So we took 28.6 grams, which is the mass of soda, and dissolved them in pure water. More pure water was added to make the total volume of the solution up to 1000 centimeter cubed. So we added more water so that the total volume of the solution becomes 1000 centimeter cubed. So the volume of the solution is now 1000 centimeter cubed. A 25 centimeter cubed sample of the solution. So we took from the 1000 centimeter cubed 25 centimeter cubed sample of the solution and was neutralized by 40 centimeter cubed of 0.125 moles per decimeter cubed hydrochloric acid. So we took 25 centimeter cubed from the solution and they were neutralized by hydrochloric acid, which has a volume of 40 centimeter cubed and a concentration of 0.125 moles per decimeter cubed, using the methyl orange as an indicator. This is the equation we have between sodium carbonate and hydrochloric acid to give sodium chloride plus carbon dioxide plus water. As I said, we have two parts for this question. Part A is to calculate the concentration of sodium carbonate solution in moles of sodium carbonate per cubic decimeter. And part B is to calculate the mass of sodium carbonate and the mass of water in the washing soda crystals. So first I have to find the mass of sodium carbonate and then the mass of water crystals. After obtaining these results, I need to find N, which is found in this formula. We have many things to do, but we work together step by step. We'll start with part A. We'll take the given and the equation to determine the concentration of sodium carbonate.